Parenting and lifestyle expert Eve Mayrand joins us with tips and tricks finding the right gift for everyone. And thanks for joining us. Good to see you via Skype this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.
So we're heading into the holidays. Online shopping last year was huge. Now we're into a pandemic, and even more important yet, many Canadians shopping online. Where do we go for the best deals?
Well, to find the best deals and also to save time and money, I always go to retailmenot.ca. On there, I find deals and coupons that can apply to my holiday purchases. It's an excellent way to find deals. Like I went a few minutes ago and I found deals for Black Friday. It's in a week from now. You should really start your shopping if you want to. You'll find savings on over 5,000 retailers in various categories such as clothing, beauty, travel, home, restaurants, experiences, and more. It's free, it's very easy to use, and if you sign up for their newsletter, you'll get notifications for the newest deals.
So it's basically a complete one-stop for all the coupons out there.
Definitely, before starting the holiday purchases, make sure to go on there, retailmenot.ca.
Okay, well, let's look at some items and talking TV, streaming, BritBox.
Oh my God, it's such a great place to find British content. It is the home to the largest collection of British TV and film content. So for anyone who has British content lovers, it is the perfect gift to give them. Or for anyone who knows somebody who's always seeking new content to binge watch like myself, there's original programming on there, live events, exclusive premieres. It's an easy gift to give too. And you can sign up on britbox.com for a free trial or give a one-year subscription, and you'll get 2 months for free right now if you sign up.
Okay, great gift idea. We don't often think of tires when gift giving, but hey, we all need tires.
Well, think about it, like the practical gift for that person who has everything, and it's showing your loved ones how much you care as well. Like the Hankook ICEP Evo 2 winter tires are great tires for this winter season. They allow driving in any winter condition, whether you're driving in the snow or the slush or on the ice. And they allow peak performance in cold temperature as well. So I know that some people may think that all-season tires are sufficient, to drive in the snow, but really you should change your tires the minute that the weather dips below 7 degrees Celsius.
Okay, let's talk accessories for gamers.
Oh, if you have a gamer in your life and you want to celebrate them, I have with me the Razer Death Adder V2. This is an optical gaming mouse that will give an edge up in any gamer's competition, whether they're playing Fortnite or Call of Duty. It is a best-in-class ergonomic shaped mouse. It has a maximum comfort. It's ultralight and compact, and what a gamer wants is for a mouse to react really quickly. This one has a response of 0.2 millisecond because of an intelligent sensor on there. So really a great gift to give to the gamer in your life.
Yes, because they need that kind of speed for the high demand games that are coming out.
It has to go fast.
Yeah. All right, but we got to go fast. But we have time for one more item that's not on my wish list.
Oh, I wish it had been on mine back when I was pregnant with my son. I didn't have a breast pump, and I gave birth to him, and I had to stay in the hospital. He was in an incubator. I couldn't breastfeed him. My dad had to run to the other end of the world to get one. I wish I had the Medela pump-in style breast pump on my list with MaxFlow technology. This breast pump is great because it will mimic the baby's rhythm, so it will increase and optimize the milk flow. And you see that oval shape here of the breast shield? That will help to pump 11.8% more milk per minute. So great gift for the mom-to-be or the pregnant woman in your life.
Well, that's high performance.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Hey, that's great. Great gift ideas. And again, thanks for the tip on Retail Me Not, and we'll check out all those coupons. Eve Mayrand, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. Have a great day, Bob.
You too.